Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're gonna walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Botswana. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, Botswana, like some time back had temporarily paused the e-visa process. It's good that they have again resumed it. So we'll go through it. So this is the home page. Do I need a visa? So you need to put like this kind of visa. That's gonna tell you if you really need or not. So let's say you are an Indian national. You put India and click on check. Oh, wow. And you open the country list when it's a photo. Okay. Let's open it that require a visa to enter Botswana. Okay, fine. India is there. Okay, fine. That means you need. Now, once you're ready, you click on apply now. Registration. Okay, so I'm filling sample. You do it as per your own case. That's correct. Name, date of birth. This you can pick up from here. Oh, I'm sorry. So sorry about that. Yeah. Passport number. Do it as per your own case. Expiry date. Nationality. Type of visa required. Okay. Do we have a drop down here? Diplomatic, transit, official, employment, business, tourist. Okay. I select tourist. What happened? Yeah. Number of entries. I select single. Proposed length of stay days. So I oh, we have to be very careful when we enter. Again, it's lost. I don't know why. Yeah. Proposed length of stay. Let's say I select 15. And your email. And I'm not a web robot. Okay. This is very important. Do it as per your own case. Don't see what I'm doing. Okay. Now for this you need to pay 300 pula. So definitely I'm not gonna pay and proceed because this is a sample video. But yes, I can tell you what happened. The step one was registration. Then you'll fill the visa form where you'll provide all the details about your entry, exit, past visa applications, your purpose, your stay, hotel and all, anything that or tour package that you have. Those details you need. At the end, you'll be submitting your photo, passport, return ticket, hotel document and any other thing that they ask. Okay. So yeah. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.